You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in India. If you want to learn, sorry, my voice is tired. If you want to learn more names from India, stay tuned. English pronunciation, that's the English name of the city, Bangalore. Bangalore. In India, it's normally referred more as Bengaluru. Bengaluru, or simply Bangalore. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.